Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to get more matches on Tinder. It's actually about using and getting Tinder for free. Now, obviously, Tinder wants you to pay for it. We're not going to do that here. Our first step is to visit this website. The website we will be using is called tweakvip.com. Please visit it on your mobile device. But before doing so, ensure that you have already installed Tinder, as this process will not be successfully otherwise. Once you're on the tweakvip.com website, simply search for Tinder in the search bar. Click on the option for Tinder Gold Mobile for both iOS and Android. Then, select Start Installation. The installation process should begin immediately and connect you to Tinder Gold for free. And as I mentioned earlier, this method has definitely helped me increase my number of matches on Tinder. It's a useful tool that allows you to see who has liked you and offers other premium features. We shouldn't have to pay for it because, let's be honest, Tinder doesn't need our money anyway. The system may take some time to complete the installation process, so we need to be patient and wait for TweakVIP to do its thing. Once it's finished, you will be upgraded to Tinder Gold version. The stalling process should be almost finished. It's just loading the necessary components for the Tinder Gold installer. Once it's ready, it will prompt you to complete some tasks to get the full version. This task may require you to run certain programs or download certain things. Simply choose the easier ones from the list and complete at least 2 of them. After doing so, the Tinder Gold version will be installed and you won't have to pay for it again. It's quite simple. Just download and complete the easiest task from the list. After completing those tasks, be sure to open and use the program or services as instructed. For instance, one task may ask you to play a game while another task may ask you to sign for a calendar. So you can go ahead and create an account and stuff and sign up. But anyway, once you have done that, your Tinder now should say Tinder Gold on the application. It should be fully upgraded and all for free. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.